Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lee Goff, your marketing agency coach, and everything I do on this channel is designed and engineered to make your life easier as you build the agency of your dreams. First, make sure you subscribe to my channel here, and of course, if you haven't found us on Facebook yet, we have a wonderful, very engaged Facebook group, Marketing Agency Success GPS. Now, if you're not familiar with who I am and how I can help you, let me give you a quick rundown. I founded, built, retired from, and exited my multiple seven-figure agency by the time I was 43 years old. After exiting my agency, I dove headfirst into helping other agencies achieve what I did, but dramatically faster and with much less stress. If any of this sounds like where you are or where you want to be, click the subscribe button as we're constantly adding new podcast episodes, tutorial videos, and of course, I answer specific agency-related questions from subscribers like you. Look forward to having you, and as always, let us know how we can serve your agency.